You can see the tensioner pulley, belt's kind of coming off. That noise coming from that tensioner pulley. We're going to replace the tensioner pulley. I would use a serpentine belt tool, just easier to get behind all the components. And there's a hole that fits in right there on the top of the pulley. It's a 1/2 inch drive. Some people use a breaker bar, but I would recommend using a tool. Just fits behind the hose and everything a lot easier. So you can release tension on the pulley, and then we're going to loosen up the belt, take the belt off. Once you get the belt loose, you can leave it there, and then we're going to take off. There's 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. We're just going to take these 3 loose. 1 there. 1 there. 1 right here. There are 3 10mm bolts. Well, this tensioner pulley is very bad. It's about to fall off. As you can see, there's nothing left. That's why it was so loud. It's destroyed. So I started noticing it on a 2-hour drive home. Thank goodness made it back. One I'm using. Here's the old one. Here's the new one. While I was in here checking, the idler pulley needs to be replaced also. I'm gonna put it back together, get this fixed, and then we're gonna get a new idler pulley. The video will be coming for that soon. Got the new tensioner lined up. Just tighten down the 3 bolts. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. It's a pretty easy replacement. The hardest part is probably just putting the belt back on. So we're gonna tighten this back up, 10mm. Got the 3 bolts tightened back up. From what I've read online, there should be 20 foot-pounds on the tensioner pulley. Let's put the belt back on, get it fired up. Let's torque it up to 20 foot-pounds. So this bolt's hard to get to with the torque wrench because I have the extension on it. If you can get to it, hit it. I hit it, but it was very tight. So time to put the belt on. Pull back on. Release the tension on the pulley, and then we're going to put the belt right back over the alternator. There it is. Belts are installed. Check to make sure it's over all the pulleys. And then release the tension. Tension is good. Good to go. Tensioner is replaced. Hope the video helped you out. Please like and subscribe.